Pati Brahmachari is going to be filled with intense emotions, shocking accusations, and a major challenge for Isha. A storm is about to hit the family, and this time, Isha finds herself standing at the center of a controversy that could change everything. The drama begins as preparations for Chutki's wedding are taking place with great excitement. The entire family is busy celebrating the happy occasion, and everyone is looking forward to a joyful future for her. However, happiness does not last long. An unexpected phone call suddenly turns the festive atmosphere into complete silence. The groom's family refuses to continue with the wedding, leaving everyone shocked and heartbroken. When questioned about their decision, they reveal that someone saw Chutki near the village pond with an unknown man. Based on this misunderstanding, they begin doubting her character and declare that they cannot accept her as their daughter in law. The accusation leaves Chutki devastated. With tears in her eyes, she explains that the truth is very different. She says that the young man was drowning, and she simply helped save his life. After being rescued, he was only thanking her. There was nothing wrong with the situation. But her explanation fails to convince Buaji. Worried about the family's reputation and the gossip spreading through the village, Buaji makes a shocking announcement. She declares that Chutki must undergo a purification ritual to prove her innocence. The entire family is stunned by her decision. As arguments begin and emotions rise, an unexpected guest arrives and changes the direction of the entire situation. Tauji suddenly appears before the family. His arrival creates immediate tension, but what he says next shocks everyone even more. Instead of discussing Chutki, Tauji points his finger directly at Isha. He boldly claims that if anyone should be questioned, it is Isha. His harsh words leave the family speechless. Tauji accuses Isha of being disloyal and questions her character in front of everyone. He reminds the family about her past marriage to Akash and her present relationship with Suraj. According to him, these circumstances are enough to make her the target of suspicion. The accusations become even more serious when Tauji claims that Isha deliberately helped send Akash to jail so she could reunite with Suraj. The atmosphere instantly becomes explosive. Suraj can no longer tolerate the insults directed toward Isha. Filled with anger and frustration, he steps forward and fiercely defends her. Suraj reminds everyone of the suffering Isha endured because of Akash. He speaks about the pain, sacrifices, and hardship she faced while trying to protect her loved ones. Suraj makes it clear that Isha never betrayed anyone. Instead, she became a victim of circumstances and was forced to carry burdens that were never hers to bear. His emotional defense silences many people present. At the same time, Tama also stands firmly beside Isha. She refuses to allow false accusations to destroy the dignity of an innocent woman. Tama reminds the family that Isha has always acted with honesty and self-respect. She insists that Isha's heart is pure and that questioning her character is deeply unfair. Despite hearing these arguments, Buaji refuses to change her stance. She remains determined and insists that Isha must prove her purity before the family and the village. Her stubborn decision creates a deep divide within the household. Some family members support Isha and believe in her innocence, while others begin questioning everything they thought they knew. Meanwhile, Isha stands silently in the middle of the chaos. The pain of being judged once again is clearly visible on her face. After everything she has sacrificed, she now finds herself fighting another battle for her dignity and self-respect. The biggest question remains unanswered. Will Suraj succeed in protecting Isha from these cruel accusations? Will the family finally understand the truth and stand beside her? Or is Tauji secretly planning an even bigger conspiracy to destroy Isha's happiness forever? As tensions continue to rise, viewers can expect powerful confrontations, emotional breakdowns, shocking revelations, and unexpected twists that will keep everyone glued to their screens. The battle between truth and false accusations has begun, and the outcome could change the lives of Suraj and Isha forever. Stay tuned because the upcoming episodes promise high voltage drama, unforgettable moments, and a shocking turn of events that no one will see coming. What are your predictions for this twist? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected for more exciting updates from your favorite serials.